Hi. I just like to explore topics. Sometimes I'm not completely 100% serious, as I am going to be right now. But let's talk about racism. Now, when there's a missing child and it's on TV, it happens to usually be a white teenager or a white child, usually a female, but they're usually white. So, is that discrimination or racism unintentionally? I would say possibly. What's the coincidence that there's no missing people of color? The next thing is, for animal cruelty standpoint, dogfighting is disgusting. I want to make that clear. Same as cockfighting, and very cruel. But you know what else is very cruel? The rodeo. I protested the rodeo in Houston, Texas many times, sometimes alone or with a group of friends and animal activists. They do baby calf roping where they chase a terrorized, scared calf around, throw a rope around its neck, and jerk it back and throw it to the ground. They terrorize horses. Mutton busting and calf roping, baby calf roping, are some of the crueler events, all for entertainment. That is illegal. Why is dogfighting and cockfighting not legal? They all should be illegal. You have grown 200-pound men throwing around a baby calf or ripping them down by their necks. Some have died, have broken bones, internal injuries. Horses have been killed at rodeos. Now let's go beyond rodeos. You have the fur industry, which profits off of basically importing and selling dog pelts, fox pelts, rabbit pelts. But let's take it a step further. Trophy hunting. They kill for sport bears, all types of wildlife that are not a threat to us. Human overpopulation is the problem. We keep cutting in on their habitats. So no, they are not overpopulated. We are. We are the destructive species, cutting down more and more woodlands, overfishing with huge trawler nets. Now we have sick fish farms, like sick factory farms. Yes, factory farming is worse than hunting for food. But these cowards will pose with the kill, even stuff them like a stuffed animal, like a taxidermy. Some even bow hunt, which can result in longer suffering in some cases, where they can get away with only one shot, since it takes a while to reload, while injured. So why is dogfighting and cockfighting illegal, but fur, rodeos, and trophy hunting for sport, a sick sport, legal? Is it because they're white people, usually in rodeos, and trophy hunters? I don't know. Just bringing up the topic. They are both disgusting. And not to stigmatize and say most black people or people of color support cockfighting or dogfighting, or that every white person supports rodeos and trophy hunting. But there is a pretty weird reason why one is acceptable by gun nuts who shoot animals for fun, in many cases, rhinos, elephants even, and the other abuses animals for fun and is illegal. So just something to consider. Thank you.